Today, me and Mom's going to be cooking stewed okra in a crock pot for lunch tomorrow. She cut me up 2 medium onions for me in the bowl. We're going to put 2 cans of tomato sauce in with it and 1 can of diced tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of our seasoning mix, and 4 pounds of cut okra. 1 bag of the okra to the crock pot already. We're now going to add the rest with the 2 onions, the 2 cans of sauce. The can of diced tomatoes, and the 2 tablespoons of seasoning, and then the last bag of cut okra. We'll now add the water to it and allow it to cook for 12 to 14 hours. It's covered. Stir it and serve some up for us to try tomorrow. It's time to taste it and see if it's ready and seasoned enough. I know it's cooked long enough. I find it good.
You notice he shows me and didn't show himself.
Now, as always important, season to your taste. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Say bye, Mom.
Bye, Mom.